When the sun rises, the forest awakens in a golden hue.
Among the branches, a pendulum waits, eager yet serene. A moving gem, its tail is like a pendulum of color. Every movement was deliberate, every glance precise.
The jewels of the forest dance with the wind.
The forest offers a banquet of colors and flavors. Precise beaks produce the sweetest bites. Youth follows, imitating the rhythm of life.
Even in silence, his voice marks territory.
Together they watched, silent guardians of the branches.
Legs adapted for slender perches.
Old, hollow trees provide hidden shelter.
Together, they seek protection and security.
Life waits quietly within.
From a hidden shell, new life emerges.
Care ensures survival. Every bite counts.
The first leap toward independence begins. His movements are measured, his flights are precise.
A moving lesson continues in silence.
Even gems must withstand storms.
Fur protects warmth and balance.
Colors shine new under the returning light.
Trials build skill and confidence. The call conveys a lesson with a gentle rhythm.
The shifting light paints the jewels with graceful stillness.
Of pendulums resting on a layer of green. Every movement is deliberate. Every bite is precise.
Balance learned, independence emerging.
Time flays silently across the forest floor.
Grooming ensures long-lasting brilliance.
Mimicry guides survival habits. Dusk bathes the jewel in golden light. Even at rest, the forest demands vigilance.
A graceful arc marks the rhythm of the forest. Every perch meets calm.
The forest reflects swaying jewels. Guardian of movement and color, perched in silence.